Raindrops kiss my naked skin like whispers falling deep within. I walk alone, but I feel so free. The night holds me and I let it be, and I'll do none and I let it be. Every drop slides down so slow on my body, on my soul, and I know you're watching from a place you hide, but in this dark I shine with pride. I'm wet in rain and I feel alive, hair dripping down. My fire survives, the sky breaks open. I give it all in the water, in the night. I let myself fall. My hands trace lines across my skin. Lightning flashes soft within. You dream of getting close to me, but I move slow, wild and free. It's warm even in the cold. You feel me through the window hold. No one dares, but I go deep. The rain keeps every secret I keep. I'm wet in the rain and I feel alive, hair dripping down. My fire survives, the sky breaks open. I give it all in the water, in the night. I let myself fall. Come and find me where shadows play. Let the storm wash the past away. I am free, I'm me.